Welcome to Boulder Nissan. My name is Joe, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a battery in your key fob. First, what you want to do is release the key out of the key fob. You're going to move this little slide to the side, pull the key comes out. Then you get a flathead screwdriver. There's going to be either one or two little dimples. You want to put it in there and twist, and you'll start seeing the side crack. Do the same thing on the other side and twist. It'll crack open. Then you want to work it around, slowly open it, and then you have your key battery. Pop that out, replace it, put it back together. On these older Nissans, you'll have this kind of fob here. On this one, it's a little bit different. You're gonna have to take it off the key ring itself, and there's gonna be a little crack right here. Grab a flathead screwdriver, put it in sideways, and slowly pry it. Once it opens up in the sides, pry it a little bit with the screwdriver, open it up, take out the battery, replace it. So on this style key, there's going to be one little dimple. You grab your flathead screwdriver, we'll find it here in the bottom, put it in, and you twist. And you work it around until it pops open. Take out the batteries, replace them, put it all back together. On this style key, you're going to need a Phillips, small. There'll be a little screw right here holding in the key to the actual fob. Then once that's out, you grab your Phillips screwdriver, you'll find a little dimple, put it in there and twist, and then work it around. And once it's open, is replace your battery. So many different styles of key fobs. If you don't feel comfortable, just come on in. We can replace it for you. If you need any help or anything, just let us know. Se habla español, amigo.